Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to properly balance your motorcycle wheels. So don't go anywhere. So balancing motorcycle wheels is not very complicated. You don't need any specialized tools, just a simple gravity balancer like I have it here. I bought this one for 35 or 40 euro. I can't remember from the top of my head, it was a few years ago, but it's just simple cheap thing. Next thing you need is of course the balancing weights. I have here 10 grams and 5 grams strips. Another thing you'll need for this job is the degreaser. You need to degrease your wheels before you stick the balancing weights. That's quite important, otherwise you're going to lose your weights where you'll be riding. And last but not least, you need of course your motorcycle wheel. But as you can see, my tire is not mounted yet. And I'm going to explain to you in a moment why haven't I mounted this tire yet. Before you mount your tire, it is very wise to check where is the heaviest point on your rim. All the motorcycle tires have these red dots. Sometimes it's two, like in this case, sometimes it's one, and some brands have different colors. I have seen as well the yellow dots. What does it mean? Well, this dot showing us where is the lightest point of this tire. It basically means that the tire in this place is much lighter than any other place. And the manufacturers of the tires, they say that this dot should be in the same place as the valve on the rim. Why is that? Well, theoretically, the heaviest point of the rim is in the place where the valve is. But it's not always the case. That's why I haven't mounted my tire yet. I'm gonna do it later. First, I'm gonna check where is the heaviest point of this rim. Before I do any of that, I need to take care that my balancer is leveled. So let's do that first. Everything is tip-top here, which means that I can start with checking my rim. Oops. So I'm gonna set my rim on the balancer and I will fasten the adapters or whatever you call it. They should be pretty tight. We cannot have this play. It has to be fastened right way. Okay, now it's good. So the balancing wheels is not very complicated. You just have to trust the gravity. The gravity is gonna do all the job. All what I have to do is to have a little bit patience. Now I'm gonna check now the rim, where is the heaviest point on the rim, and in 95% cases it's exactly where the valve is, but it's not always the case. So let's see if I am in this 95% or in 5%. So I'm just gonna let it go, and as you can see, the heaviest point of the rim is gonna sink to the bottom. It's gonna dance a little bit, but in the end it's gonna stop with the heaviest point here on the bottom of the balancer. It's slowing down, which means we are almost there. Okay, it's done. Now I'm gonna show you my valve is not the heaviest point on the rim. As you can see, my valve is here and the heaviest point of the rim is here. So I'm not gonna set my tires with red dots next to the valve. I'm gonna set the red dots here. But of course I have to mount the tire first, so I won't know which place was it. So I'm gonna mark this place with a piece of tape. So this is my heaviest point of my wheel. And exactly here I will need to have these two red dots. So I think that's a good tip to check your rim first, because not always is the valve your heaviest point of the rim. Okay, let's mount the tire. Okay, that was quick. I'm getting pretty good with changing tires. Well, as you can see, my two red dots are exactly where is my sticker, which means that the lightest point of the tire is on the heaviest point on the rim, which will help us with balancing. Now I'm gonna do exactly the same thing as before. The only difference is now I have complete wheel with tire. And it's a bit heavier. Before I do anything, I will first degrease the rim, because as you can see I was using the soap to mount the tires, so everything is fat. So let's do that. Important thing, never degrease with the paper. You're gonna scratch your rim, you're gonna do a lot of micro scratches. Do it always with the soft cloth. I have here very soft old t-shirts. So let's degrease the wheel. Okay, that's good. Now, it's the same principle. The place where the wheel is the heaviest is gonna sink to the bottom. So let's the gravitation do its job. The wheel is stopped now, which means that in this place is the heaviest. And the funny thing is, we are almost the same place as before with only the rim. And when I was observing the wheel, how fast it was turning to this point, I can already tell you that I will need quite a lot weights. And now I need to place the weights on the opposite side of the heaviest point. So this is the lightest point. Here I have to stick the weight strips. But before I do that, I will stick them with just regular tape, because if I used too much or too little or in the wrong place and I stick it just like that, I will just damaging the weights, and that's not the idea. So okay, let's start with 20 grams. And let's see if the 20 grams is enough. So what I need to do now, I'm gonna turn the heaviest point to the side, left or right, doesn't matter. And I'm gonna let it go. As you can see, it's still going very quickly this direction. Now it will go back. I'm not gonna wait for so long because I already know what's gonna happen. It's gonna sink again in the same place, which means that 20 grams is absolutely not enough. So I'm gonna do another 20 grams, but I don't want to do that in one place because it's gonna be very long strip, so I'm gonna do it on the other side. which gives us in total 40 grams, which is quite a lot for the wheel. I don't know why this wheel is so heavy. Okay, I have another 20 grams, so 40 grams. Now we're gonna do exactly the same. Heaviest point on the side and just let it go. It's still going down. I must say this wheel is very stubborn. I never had a wheel that needs more than 40 grams. Still more or less the same spot. So I need to place more grams. Okay, I placed in total, let me think, 45 grams, which is quite a lot. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, it start warring with this. It's still going to the same spot. It's still heavier here. Okay, gonna place here. Let me think. 20, 35 and 20, 55. That's quite a lot. I have 30 grams here and 25 grams on the other side, which gives us 55 grams, which is a lot. It's really stubborn. So let's see what's gonna happen now. And this is exactly what I want to see. Wherever you stop the wheel, it shouldn't move. A small marsh is acceptable, because normally when you go to the professional tire changer, he's not playing with 1 gram. He's just doing 5 grams. If the wheel turns a little bit, doesn't matter. You will not see the difference in 5 grams. But this one, it's exactly what I wanted to see. This wheel is very well balanced now, but 55 grams, that's a lot. So my wheel is now balanced, which means that I can stick the weights directly to the rim. But before I do that, I'm gonna stick another piece of tape, and with the pen I'm gonna mark exactly the beginning and the end of the weights. This way I'll be sure that they are in the right place. And of course I will do that on the other side as well. I will degrease the rim again in this place, and I will warm up the weight strips with the hot air. The best is to do it with the hairdryer. This way it's not too hot, but it's warm enough. Unfortunately, I don't have my hairdryer with me today, so I'm gonna use something else. My heater. Okay, my weights are warm. It's time to glue them to the rim. Now the double-sided tape is now warm. It will stick much better to the rim. and it's exactly between the lines, so exactly where it should be. And now I will do exactly the same on the other side. Okay, now I can remove my tape and check again. The weights are here. And the wheel is not moving, which means that I have perfectly balanced wheel. But 55 grams, that's a lot, guys. I will do one more thing, because the double-sided tape needs time to cure. And if I start riding right now, there is a big chance that I'm gonna lose one of the weights or all of them. So my tip for that is I will use the duct tape. I have here a black duct tape, so it won't be visible, and I'm gonna glue it above the weights. This way I won't lose them, and I will remove the tape after a few days when the double-sided tape is fully cured. So my wheel is perfectly balanced. Next thing to do is to mount the wheel and go for a ride. This is how it's done. It's a very simple job, everybody can do it, and with very simple tools. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you didn't do it yet. If you like my videos and this channel, you can support me by making a donation. Underneath the screen there is a button, Super Thanks, or you can go into the description of the video and there is a link where you can buy me a coffee if you feel like it. So again, thanks for watching, guys, and of course, see you in the next one.